Baby, it's cold out here.
Yes, it is.
How cold is it?
The wind chill
You can
is
tell how
about
dressed up
in
I
the
am for this.
20s. Yes. But we'd like to say a very Happy New Year,
New Year.
to everyone.
Everybody.
Yes. Happy New Year, Mr. Greeny.
Happy New Year, Mrs. Green.
And to all of you, we're
On
wishing you
Voices.
God's blessings.
Is that for voices?
It's for the world.
Oh, wow. Okay, hi world.
Yes.
Happy New Year.
Yes. And would
Hope
you
your
like to
world is
share
warmer
them?
where you are.
Yes. And
Where
share
are
an
you, Jamaica?
encouraging word.
I'm sorry?
An encouraging word, please.
An encouraging world. Well, it has been an interesting year. The Lord has been good to us. This is our second Christmas together.
Yes.
Oh wow! Was it that cold last year?
I don't remember.
Well, Happy New Year, guys. Keep trusting in the Lord. Our word for the year, for the season, is to stand.
Yes.
Stand. Having done all, stand. God is with you and He will lead you. As He has led us through the past year, we pray that He will lead us through the coming year. So stand.
Of course, and I'd like to wish everyone a Happy New Year, your friends, your family, and to our audience, Voices with Lady D, we thank you so much.
Can we
And
do this
to
on Jamaica
my,
next time?
of course,
Or Trinidad?
somewhere
warm.
or in England.
Dubai?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Bora Bora.
Anybody wants to go to Bora Bora?
Yes, that's on the next list
Let's plan it,
of
man.
things to do. So we
Yeah.
want to say God's blessing, richest blessings to you, and
And you.
hoping that everything will work in your favor.
Amen.
And God's grace will shine upon you. So from us to you,
Let's go get some food.
we say
Cold.
Happy New
New
Year.
Year.
From Denise, Lady D,
And Evol
Gomez
Green.
Green.
Say that again.
No, Lord. timing.
We forgot our names.
I didn't forget you. You popped into mine.
Okay, so my name is
Lady D,
Denise,
Gomez Green,
and I am.
Evol Green.
What about the middle one?
You're gonna give them your middle name.
We'll keep that for
Okay.
next year.
Uh-huh.
Love you guys.
Blessings, everybody.
Stay warm.
Okay.
Happy New Year.
Bye.
Over.